this is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is you versus them for Aries. Yes friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aries, or if you know an Aries, this reading is for you friends. And please do subscribe, like and share Magic Vans Tarot friends. Please do subscribe and like this video. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. Also friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. This is a timeless reading friends. So whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way. And by any astrology you can watch this reading, or if you know an Aries you can watch this reading. If your sun sign, rising sign, moon sign is in Aries, you can watch this reading. So first we'll see Aries, your energy, and the your person's energies. How is Aries feeling currently? Let's see that. Okay, wow, 4 cards. Interesting. You are really feeling this love, this affection, and you really want to work on this relationship. I feel like you really love this person, Aries, and you want to work, or you want them to be mature, choose you, and work on this partnership. How is your person feeling? How is Aries person feeling? Let's see, how is the Aries person feeling? Okay, the sun. Wow, the strength, the sun. You could be dealing Aries with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or I feel like someone who is also a fellow air, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. So yeah, you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I feel your person is trying to focus on themselves. They are trying to focus on their work, on their career. They are also trying to attract you by, clicking beautiful pictures or posting some compliments to you, or they are trying to woo you. I feel like this person really wants to offer you their cup of love. They feel a lot of affection. They feel very attracted towards you, and they feel very strongly about this connection. Some of you could be married with this person, and some of you, this is a new relationship which you want to develop. But something is, I think this person is a little immature, or they are slightly younger than you, or there is an age gap between you both. I also see there is a distance. I see like some of you had been once colleagues or co-workers, or maybe once this person and you had studied together or something like that. You want this person, to choose you. You want things to work out within this connection. You also feel very attracted to this person. I feel some of you Aries could already be in another relationship, or maybe this person, I don't know why, but it feels like some of you could be having a choice in a partner. Like this person wants you, or there is also another person, a friend maybe, who wants or likes you, or it's a long-term relationship for you, or a long-term friendship. So I do see Aries 2 energies for you, and for them I see only one. Like you, they are focusing on themselves. They are focusing on becoming this person that's perfect for you, on making this connection stronger. Let us see what Aries want to happen in this connection. What Aries want to happen in this connection. Okay, see, the cards get stuck in my ring. That's why rings are not good actually for shuffling, unless especially the rings which have some things which stick the cards. How Aries, what will Aries want in this to happen in this connection? The 7 of Pentacles. What Aries want to happen in this connection? You are waiting. You want value from this person. Wow. Maybe I feel like you don't trust this person. You feel like this person is quite a childish person, or they are quite a playboy or a playgirl. They keep coming in and out of your life. They come, they go, or they keep giving you crumbs. You are tired of it, so you want to wait. Also I feel like maybe they have ghosted you in the past, or there is like this pattern, you both come, you meet, you talk, and then again you separate, and then they start trying to play mind games with you when they come near you. So you want to test this person, you want to be sure of what they are offering you, you want maturity, you don't want any mind games from this person. This person is actually younger or quite charming or quite in the limelight. I think this person is quite attractive, or a lot of people know them, or they like to talk to a lot of people. So you know, they could also be, it could be your twin flame for some of you. So what this person wants to happen in this connection, what this person wants to happen, see, communication, the Page of Swords, and the Five of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles. This person wants to end conflict with you. I think like you are in some sort of a conflict with this person, or there has been some sort of a ongoing issue, you know, you are fighting. There is like, they see you like you are resisting this connection, they see you like you want truth at all cost. There could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person affecting this relationship or interfering in this connection. It could be like you both talk on social media where things get often confusing. So they are trying to recover and move past these issues. This person definitely wants to talk with you. They want to make a move towards you, talk with you, make things right, and end this conflict. I think it's very strange, but I find like this person is excited by fighting in with you. They like to irritate you, like just being playfully or being naughty, you know. They like to irritate you. When you get irritated, they enjoy, or they get some excitement out of it. They get sexually turned on or something like that. So it's like they want to irritate you, like, you know, brothers and sisters irritate each other. So it's kind of you know, that vibe. They also want to talk to you, clear the air with you, but I also see they may or may not. Okay, I see they want to talk to you, that's their intention. But if they come back and a fight happens or an argument happens between you and them, this person will quickly return back, or they will retreat back into their shell, and they may not say anything, or they may again block you or ghost you. So which is very frustrating, and you may like, what happened, you know, what again. So that's an interesting energy. So that's what you want and they want, but what will actually happen, let's see that. That's different, right? What we want and what actually will happen. Let's see. Sometimes it can match, sometimes it can be an entirely different thing. What will happen actually with Aries in this connection? Wow, the King of Swords, Justice, and definitely you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini also. I feel actually justice is going to happen. If someone is interfering or communications are off, some sort of a justice or balance will come out in this situation, you know. Things will balance out. If you are married and having legal issues, you can expect them to be resolved and this relationship to come back on track. If you are like third party situations are affecting your connection, that will also heal, I am feeling. I definitely see that harmony and stability will come in this connection ahead, and some of you will talk about marriage or settling or moving in or making this connection more stable, or what do you say, like, I think this person has not been valuing you, so they will try to value you. I also feel if this person, a new person could be entering either your life or their life, an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So a new person could be entering your life. There is a chance, because it is your karma, it is your destiny also to be friends with this person or to know them, or they will help you out. But I definitely see in this connection things are going to get, you are going to get the justice. This person will definitely try to contact you, and there is a chance of this connection getting better, things getting stable and solid. Let us see what is the advice for you. What is the advice for Aries for this connection? See, transformation. Things needs to change, you know. There is a big change that needs to happen for this connection to move ahead. Something needs to change. Maybe the mind games, this immaturity they are having, or there are some health issues, because this is the strength. So there is something that needs to heal. You both need to cooperate. Adventure and fighting. I think one of you is trying to resist this connection. It's like they have 100 reasons. They are trying to run away. They come in towards you, then they run away, then they come in, then they run away. They are trying to resist this connection because it's so beautiful. But I think that thing can, there is a chance this will change, and there will be a big change, a massive transformation happening. You have to be ready for that. And for some of you, I feel it's 50-50. There may be a big change coming in, and you may meet a new person, which could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, because you have a choice right here also. So you could be meeting a new person, Aries. So that's interesting, very interesting. Big change is coming, big positive change is coming your way, and slowly and very, very surely. Let's see. Oh my god, let me just shuffle. I don't know. See, finances and career dropped out, falling in your soulmate. Definitely, friends, I think some of you are very frustrated with this person because they behave like a Casanova. They come in and out of your life. You may also be facing some financial issues, or you want to build your career, or this person is trying to focus on their finances right now, so this relationship is suffering. I think this person is also not valuing you, so you know that can also be a finances and a career thing. Angels, what is the final message? My god, the cards really are dropping. Mercury retrogrades affect cards, friends. You have to, I can tell you this, I had been reading for years and years on. I have lost count of the years. Calling, see separation, see time apart from your partner. I'm sorry, friends, but yeah, see, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. So I see some of you, see here also you were feeling of taking a break from this person if they behave in the same way, you know. But I think if your person is changed and they behave more authentically and less casually, there is a chance you both will you know, reunite and have a conversation. If they are behaving the same, I feel like you may decide to take a time off from this person, and maybe a new person will come towards you. Some sort of a justice is going to happen, or you may decide to spend more time on your career and finances. I think that there will be some messages coming, because there was this card, where is it, the 8 of Swords. They will communicate with you, but if they keep playing with you, or if they are a little again in their yeah casual happy, I am the social butterfly, that energy, I think you will suddenly like move on, you know. So that energy is there. So let's see, any other advice? Wow, pay attention to red flags. Definitely, I think you need to stay careful. There are big changes coming in this relationship for you and this person. So stay careful, Aries. Also watch out for your temper, because I see that some sort of a temper issues may happen. Like, you know, your temper may become a lot. So some sort of a temper issue, argument can happen. So be patient, be calm. So that's it for now, Aries. Do subscribe, like and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye.